This is how a massive dam in China slowed the Earth's rotation. Can the Three Gorges Dam in China slow the Earth's rotation? Sometimes the biggest disasters come in the shape of incredible wonders. That is exactly what's happening with the Three Gorges Dam. Three Gorges Dam on the Yangtze River in China is the largest hydroelectric dam on the planet. The kind of damage a hydroelectric dam can cause is disastrous. The former politician in China Sun Yat-sen first envisioned this concept during the international development of China in 1919. However, the dam's actual construction began in 1994 after the National People's Congress approved the project construction. The Yangtze River was chosen as the location for the Three Gorges Dam because it has an exceptionally large solid granite river valley. In the first segment of the river, and the average amount of water passing through the river each year reaches, which is enough to construct 63 Eiffel Towers. They installed 32 huge generators that weigh 6,000 tons each. With the activation of these 32 generators, the Three Gorges Dam has reached its full capacity. These 32 main turbines, each with a capacity of 700 megawatts, and two small turbines, each with a capacity that can generate enough electricity to run enough to provide energy. The dam's only aim is not to generate power, and it also serves various other functions and purposes. It solves a major issue by holding the river at bay during the flood season. It helps protect millions of people downstream, including significant Yangtze-adjacent cities. Like the dam creates a reservoir that covers approximately, which is quite large. It is also claimed that this dam reduced the power. It is truly a breathtaking wonder, by the looks of it. But also hides unexpected disasters within its magnificent structure. The disasters began with the dam's construction. Over 1 million people were forced to relocate and leave their homes to construct the dam. The dam's construction resulted in numerous floods, along with some historical and archaeological remains nearby. That's why the dam attracted negative reactions from other countries. If it isn't enough disasters for you, wait for the next part. It is claimed that the Three Gorges Dam is slowing the Earth's rotation. The reservoir can hold 42 billion tons of water, when the dam reaches its maximum capacity. According to NASA scientists, a mass shift of that magnitude has an impact on the Earth. The impact slows the Earth's rotation by increasing its moment of inertia, which occurs due to Newton's first law of motion. The days and nights would become longer if the Earth's rotation became slower, according to physics, because one full rotation takes more than 24 hours. And because it would impose less centrifugal force on us, our body weight would be higher. So, as a result of this dam, we may end up weighing more. You can therefore blame China for the fact that one day is now 0.000000006 seconds longer. That's 60 whole nanoseconds. By the year 47,650 we will have accumulated a whole extra second of time. What this shift of water also did was move the North and South poles, the points where Earth's axis of rotation meet the surface. Changing where the Earth's mass was moved Earth's axis of rotation, and therefore the poles were moved by a whole 0.8 inches. The only real consequence of this was probably that they had to move the marker at the South Pole by a bit, but they do this regularly anyway. Since the poles moves about 6.5 inches per year. The mass of the Earth is constantly shifting, most recently due to Arctic ice melt and water loss in Eurasia, and, while one dam being significant enough to move the pole by 0.8 inches is remarkable, this little movement probably won't eliminate us. The Earth's day being a few nanoseconds longer also probably won't finish us, especially since, while some things like dams might be slowing Earth's rotation, other things like earthquakes are moving Earth's mass closer to its axis, which speeds up Earth's rotation. Every single movement of mass up or down, in fact, has some minuscule effect on how fast the Earth rotates, whether that be an elevator going up, or rain coming down.